So while I'm here, I'm also going to complete the demonstration with another wonderful application of this. And I'm going to maintain using the 40 millimeter probe, and that's to manage horses that have chronic sore feet. And it's very simple. Basically, you prepare the foot at the coronet band, you moisten the hair. Ideally, you clip the hair, but that's not necessary. But apply the therapy just above the coronet band, pointing down in very much the same orientation that you would inject the coffin joint, straight on midline to start. I'll start with 500 clicks there. When I'm finished with 500 clicks there, I'll migrate all the way to the heel, consuming another 500. Then I'll put 1,000. I'll put another 1,000 straight through the bulbs of the heel, basically into the navicular area. Then I'm going to switch offsets. I'm going to go to the 60 millimeter. But I did 500 straight through the frog. So it takes quite a while to do a foot thoroughly. Okay? And of course you repeat on the other side.